back with another TDengine IDMP tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about data standardization. Now, what is data standardization? Data standardization is the way TDengine ensures all of your industrial data, no matter the sourcing, naming, units, is standardized into a consistent and reliable model. This makes analytics, dashboards, and AI insights actually insightful, and it's comparable across a multitude of systems. So first, how we achieve this is through element templates. We've got them for, if I go to the library center, we've got them for elements. So here I have a couple here, like I have a solar inverter template for a solar asset. It just makes it easy to spin up different elements, but you've got it for events, enumerations, categories, like elements, panels, dashboards, all of that. You even have it for composite metrics. So I can actually check the different metrics I have within each of my elements. And then you have it for units of measurement that are similar across all. And that's where physical unit conversion comes in. So TDengine supports physical unit conversion using this UOM metric system. Being unified means that it supports this physical conversion. So let's go into an element. Here, I'm going to go to a random inverter. So inverter's got all these different things. The platform can store data as one unit and then display it as another. So if I go into AC power, I can store, if I create an element here, let's just say it's a different power, I can store it as an electric current, but I can display it as a milliampere, because if I'm getting data as an ampere, but all my other units are in milliamperes, I can store it as that. And when I enter data, it will convert as such. So the default value is 3. If I hit save, and I look into this, power shows 3000 milliamperes, but that's just the display UOM. The default is that. So I have standardized it across the entire system. Now you can also use data referencing, right? So if I go to AC power, you can see that there's a reference to my inverter. This allows for a unified attribute system. Data from OPC, MQTT, SQL are all connected under one common model. You can also do an expression-based transformation. So if I go to edit here, and I go to TDengine metric, let's go create a new metric. And I click formula. I can do an expression-based transformation, right? So I can do AC power times DC power equals the regular power. You could do that in TDengine. Now, this customization is what allows you to build these intelligent insights that later are going to turn into panels for you. This is how you can build these panels, right? Giving it that correct data. Now, while TDengine provides these tools for standardization, enforcing them is entirely up to your organization. Depending on your organization's data management process, the platform empowers you to define and maintain that consistency. But governance ensures it stays that way. So with templates, unit conversion, data references, and expressions based on transformations, IDMP creates a single data foundation across your entire enterprise. From the edge to the cloud, your data stays clean and consistent. Thank you.